Welcome to Kenjonetcom Solutions. Today I'll show you how to apply for KRA PIN for company or limited company. Click on Start Requirement. You have to have certificates. Director's ID and CL12. So click on business type, company, business type, private limited. If it's private, certificate number EV business name Jovic, limited. Its name should be the same as in the incorporation certificate. Date of registration as the certificate shows all the certificate, the date it was registered. Commencement date should be the date in which you are applying for KRA PIN. So like mine, it's today, date 11. Counting period. According to the organization, there is constitution that stipulates or stipulates how and when the counting period is done. Like mine, it's December. So nature of business, does it branches? No, mine does not have. So if yours have, you have to choose the yes. Do you wish to declare the representative? Here you just clear no. Then you scroll downward. Building. We are located in Kenyatta Market or Garrison Plaza. Street, Bagathi Road. Town, Nairobi. County, Nairobi. District. As you can see, Kibra and Baga and the location of the business will be operating within Nairobi, and therefore it's in sub-county of Lang'ata. And it will be located at Woodley. Postal code 00505 for mine, but for yours you choose according to the one that you are using. To the one, scroll down. Here you have to write the contact person or the director's name, the person who will be responsible to receive contact or be responsible or answerable to the company. Like for this portion, it's mine. 18 66 76 84 Here you choose email. So ours is Joe, mine is personal email would be at gmail.com. There is an OTP that will be sent to that email. So you accept the click send, enter the OTP. Mine is next. We subscribe, click and subscribe. Do you want to have a turn now? So scroll downward. So here you are not supposed to fill anything. Scroll down. Other section. Our business is working or it's providing services. So for your business, you have to click where the nature of your business you are carrying out. So ours is services. Here that is our primary activity. So we click primary, then we click add. For it to take effect, they must show here the services that you added. If it is an error, you can click modify or delete if you want to remove the services. Scroll downward. Was this your business formed as a result of amalgamation? No. So the moment you click no, there is something that was here but has been already removed. So here you have to upload the certificate, CL12 and director's ID and KRA pin. So mine are here. I click upload, then I click next. Here for the company limited, you have to choose company. For partnership, click partnership. If you are charging pay, you have to select pay. And as you can see here, it has populated the date of today, meaning we are registering it today. If you are charging VAT, you have to add VAT here, but currently we are not. So you have to click next. Here you have to select the associate of the directors. If you have 3 directors, add them one by one. Currently mine is it has 2 directors. So I click here. I add the pin of the director. The moment you add, just click anywhere to populate the data of the director. So you can see it have populated all the directors. If you have another director, just click add. That way, all the directors will be listed there. If there is another one, click add. But for mine, it has one director. So I have to click next. Here you don't have to fill anything. So you have to click to add that calculation and 170. You have to click submit. Counting period. I didn't answer, so here click the counting period. Here is the company registered subsidiary. No. When the moment you fill no, the others remain. That one. Here you don't have to declare. then you click next, 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 and you click submit. The moment you click submit, you are good to go. They will send to you an acknowledgement letter. Thank you for watching, and share and subscribe. For any question, get back to me on the email below, and I'll be willing to help you. Thank you.